2019GantiPresiden, 2019GantiPresiden or #2019GantiPresiden is a Twitter hashtag and social media campaign in which Indonesian users share their disapproval towards the Joko Widodo presidency. The main purpose of this campaign is a constitutional effort to replace the current president through 2019 election. The hashtag went viral when it was used by PKS politician Mardhani Alisera on Twitter. In English, the term Ganti Presiden literally means change president. Background: in April 2018, Mardhani Alisera, a politician from opposition party PKS, began to spread the hashtag in his social media accounts, with many social media accounts following quickly. Within a short period of time, T-shirts were already produced with the hashtag, with Mardhani denying that the movement is a political campaign due to a lack of a supported replacement. The movement garnered significant support from other opposition politicians, including Amin Rais PAN and Yusril Isamahendra PBB. Reasons cited include pressure on Islamic organizations, influx of immigrant workers mainly from China due to relaxation of immigration rules, and economic issues, such as a lack of available jobs and increased prices of necessities. Effect: rally. Some declarations and rallies supporting the campaign were made in several cities, such as Jakarta, Yogyakarta, and Surakarta. Supporters also tried to organize rallies in Serang, but was denied permission from the municipal government. In addition, the West Java branch of the Indonesian Ulama Council decried the movement, calling them provocateurs. Aftermath: in May 2019, after the 2019 election had passed, Mardhani stated that the #2019GantiPresiden movement had closed its books.